Hey guys, welcome to HunterHood Shillong edition. One word, can you tell us the vibe of the festival?
Fantastic.
Amazing.
Energetic. The vibe is good. I like the fact that they have a lot of other activities.
The vibe is crazy.
Thanks to Hunter. It's going crazy.
Which artist are you most excited to see tonight?
Raja Kumari.
Reble.
Raja Kumari.
I think Reble and Raja Kumari.
Used to be the kid with the big IDs. That motherfuckers wanna steal all you. We could do a little bit, mint with the heat. Now we roll by for the 1,000 degrees. Rock this shit, pump up the bass, ups and shit. Put a bitch on the spot, ups and shit. I'm a New York City up when I drop this shit.
Thank you so much, Shillong.